Welcome to your online mathematics class, students. So exercise 1.5 NCERT we are starting because already I had explained the previous exercise. We have already finished in the class and question number 1 was already explained. Alright, so we'll start with question number 2. So you can clearly say question number 2 is asking simplify the following. First part 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. So the laws for this had already been explained in the class. I will repeat again during the live classes and now also. So understand the question. So how to solve this type of question? Always remember root a into root a is equal to a. Example, root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. Okay, when square root we have same numbers, a and a will give me a, 3 and 3 will give me 3. Root 5 into root 5 is equal to 5. So remember this. Okay, and root a into root b is equal to root ab. Okay, so using these laws and rules which I had explained during the offline classes, I had explained this in the classes, so I'm repeating again, so pay attention, students. Okay, now using these rules and laws we will solve this question. So first it is saying 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. So 3 first multiplied by this whole bracket, 2 plus root 2. Next root 3, okay, root 3 multiplied by 2 plus root 2. So 3 2s are 6. Okay, we can multiply this directly, but here see it has no root and here it is a root, so we will write this as 3 root 2. Pay attention. Okay, 3 root 2, we cannot multiply this. Same thing here, root 3 into 2, root 3 into 2. Okay, now see here, students, root 3 into 2 I can write as 2 root 3. Okay, so I'm writing as it is. So root 3 into 2 I can write 2 root 3. Okay, so next step I will tell you, plus root 3 into root 2. Now both are in square root, so root 3 into root 2 will be root 6. How? Because see here, root a into root b is root ab, so root 3 into root b is equal to root 6. Okay, another example, root 3 into root 5 is equal to root 15, or root 5 into root 7 is equal to root 35. Only when they are same, a into a into root a will give me a, root 3 into root 3 will give me 3. Now we can write this as 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 6. Okay, students, I purposely didn't write directly root 3 into 2 as 2 root 3. Okay, so you can directly write root 3 into 2 is 2 root 3. So this is your first answer. Okay, students, go through it carefully. There should be no doubt. Okay, then I will tell you more questions from the same book and we will solve other questions also. Okay, go through it. Any step which you feel is not clear, mark it and then you can ask me. Okay, so 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 6. Okay, so using the laws we will solve this with these laws which I have explained, these laws. Okay, so I'll solve more questions, it will be more clear than students. Okay, you can now see next question. This is 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. Okay, so now see same thing. So there are two methods, I'll tell you both the methods. So first 3 multiplied by 3 minus root 3 plus root 3 multiplied by 3 minus root 3. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, plus minus minus 3 root 3. Okay, plus root 3 into 3. See here on the right side, root 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3 root 3. Don't write root 3 and then 3. We write 3 first and then the root. Okay, so directly I'm writing now. Previous question also I explained. Root 3 into 3 is 3 root 3, right? plus minus minus. Root 3 multiplied by root 3 is 3. I had explained in the previous question also. Root a into root a, this means when in square root you have same numbers, okay, it is a. So root 5 into root 5 is equal to 5, right? Root 7 into root 7 is equal to 7. Same thing here. Root 3 multiplied by root 3 is equal to 3. So directly I'm writing 3. So don't forget this. Root 3 multiplied by 3 is 3 root 3. Plus minus minus. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Now see, it's minus 3 root 3 and plus 3 root 3. So plus x minus x is equal to 0. This is cancelled. Same thing, this will be cancelled. So this is cancelled and this is cancelled. So 9 minus 3 is 6. So 6 is the answer. Okay. Another method to solve this question is by this. A plus b into a minus b. Okay, this is method 2. Method 2. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Okay, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. This identity we studied in class 8. So we will apply same thing here, students. So a plus b into a minus b. So a is same here, 3, 3. B is root 3, b is root 3, same. So what is the form identity? A square minus b square. So what is the value of a? 3. So 3 square minus b. What is the value of b? Root 3 whole square. So 3 square is, students, 9, right? Minus root 3 whole square. So root 3 whole square means it is root 3 into root 3. So I had already explained root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So either you do by this method, by opening the bracket, you will get answer as 6. Okay. And if you use by using the identity a square minus b square, or a plus b into minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, either you use by solving this identity, then also you will get same answer. So whichever method you find easy, you can do by that method. Okay, students. Okay, so now see next question. Root 5 plus root 2 whole square. Okay, see carefully. You can clearly see root 5 plus root 2 whole square. So if you remember the identity studied in class 8, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus twice ab, right? So what is the value of a here? This is root 5a. This is b, root 2. So you can substitute directly here. So what is the value? Okay, a is root 5. So we write here root 5 whole square plus root 2 whole square plus 2 into root 5 into root 2. Okay, you can write it directly here. So a plus b whole square is a square. Okay, a square plus b square plus twice a. What is the value of a? Root 5. What is the value of b? Root 2. See carefully where I am, how I have broken bracket and square. So root 5 whole square. Okay, I had explained in previous video. Again I am solving previous question also. I have explained root 5 whole square is root 5 into root 5, which is equal to 5, and root 2 whole square is equal to root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. So root 5 whole square is 5, root 2 whole square will be 2 plus 2 into, so what did I explain? Root a into root b, students. Root a into root b is equal to root ab. So root 5 into root 2 will be root 10. 5 2 is a 10. Okay, root 10. So this is your answer. 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 2 root 10. We cannot add this 2 root 10. We have to leave as it is. Okay, only we can add the same terms. Okay, so in this way we solve this question. And whenever I'm telling all these questions, students, sit with your maths book and your maths registers, simultaneously solve. Okay, and repeat these questions again. Watch this video at least twice or thrice. Okay, understand the concepts. Watch this video at least twice or thrice, understand the concept, and then solve more questions. Okay, you have to repeat these questions, and I will give you extra questions that question also you have to solve in your registers. I hope you have followed, students. Okay, so all these rules and laws have been explained again and already explained, but I'm repeating again so that you understand them carefully. Okay, so study well and be disciplined, students. Okay, don't waste your time at home. Pray to God daily, help your parents, and study. And one more important thing, students, we have to repeat these questions again in your fair registers, and I'm giving you extra questions also based on the same concept. You have to repeat. Okay, you have to solve those questions in your fair registers. All right, students, I hope you have followed. All the best.